Hey YouTube, my name is Charissa. I'm a social media manager and coach, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips and techniques for how to generate leads and how to get more clients for your social media management business. Whether you're a freelancer or you have an agency, hopefully these tips and techniques will help you make more money and get more clients on board. Before we jump into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And if you turn on my post notifications, you'll be notified every time I upload a video related to social media management, all things business, even weekly vlogs for my personal life. I would love for you guys to be able to tune into my videos moving forward and just become a part of the family. And I'm super excited to put out more content for you guys. Be sure to let me know what kind of content you want to see in the future, and I will try to do that for you as well. So without further ado, let's jump in with the first tip. The first lead generation technique that has helped out my business tremendously is Upwork. Upwork is basically a global freelancing platform where people can collaborate on jobs. It's a place for businesses and companies and people who are just looking for an independent contractor or a talented freelancer. They can find someone to work with, and they can do so without limit. My company has gotten so many clients from Upwork, and I'm so thankful for the platform just because it makes life so easy. You can kind of compare it to LinkedIn or other job finder platforms, but Upwork is really special because it's specifically for freelancers, and it's typically for people who are in the digital space, people who are website developers, graphic designers, social media managers. People in this space really thrive on Upwork and are able to find really good jobs. You can set your price range, you can set different terms, whether you would like a long-term relationship or maybe like a short-term project. You can set all those parameters in Upwork. It's really great to find the perfect job for you. I'm not going to go too deep into Upwork and how to get clients using Upwork. If you would like a more in-depth video about Upwork, how to get leads, how to craft a compelling proposal in order to draw people in and really make more money and get clients, then let me know in the comments, and also give this video a thumbs up so that I know, because I would love to come out with a video that kind of breaks down into further detail how I've been able to get leads using Upwork. The second lead generation technique, another way for you to find clients, is using LinkedIn. A really great way to find people who are looking for someone just like you, a social media manager, is to go into LinkedIn, go into the search bar and search social media manager jobs. If you are working remotely, don't worry about it. You can just filter it in the search bar, just remote jobs. So that's a really great feature that LinkedIn has. You may be thinking, well, people who are hiring on LinkedIn are typically looking for in-house employees, and that is true, but something that you can do in your cover letter or in whatever messaging when you're applying for the job, let them know that there are benefits to working with an independent contractor, and they're probably going to get more bang for their buck working with you, and just explain why you're talented, why you're gifted, why they should hire you as an independent contractor instead of as an employee in their business. This is good for them because they don't have to worry about benefits and insurance and all this other stuff. They can just hire you as an independent contractor, and there's not so many complicated terms with the hiring process. They would basically just set up a contract with you, and you guys would work out the terms and then move forward working together on whatever terms you agreed upon. Personally, I've never booked a client using LinkedIn yet. Our virtual assistant has been using LinkedIn to apply and send out proposals and stuff like that. We haven't gotten any leads yet, but that is a really good option. I know it has helped many social media managers in the past because I've heard about it in podcasts and YouTube videos. So just give it a shot. If it doesn't work for you, oh well, there's no harm in trying. But if you're really dedicated to making money and finding clients, it's a really great avenue to at least try out. The third technique that I use to generate leads and to make more money is having a consistent posting schedule. People have to see your content in order to know about you and in order for you to have brand awareness and brand recognition. And also your messaging should be intentional so that you are actually booking clients. And I'll talk more about the intentionality behind your posts when it comes to getting conversions and directing people to your funnel so that they know where to go and so that these viewers and your audience can become paying customers. But you should never post without a strategy, and you should always be consistent. Have a plan, have a schedule, map out the days that you're going to post, map out what you're going to post for those days. Chances are, if you're a social media manager, you're already really great at doing this. You're great at scheduling content. You're good at posting consistently. You just have to put in that same work that you're putting towards making your clients' businesses succeed and put that towards your own business. And if you really want to see leads, if you want to see more revenue coming in, you have to put more effort into your own marketing. When you do this and when you put more effort and more work towards consistently doing good marketing for your own business, then you eventually will see the return. My next tip for you is to always have a sales funnel for your social media so that your audience knows where to go. When you're putting out content, whenever you're putting out messaging, always make sure to link back to your sales funnel. Your sales funnel could link to your website. It can link to where people can get more information. It can link to a booking page. That's a really good one so that people know exactly where to go and what steps to take next. Your funnel can link to lead magnets or freebies and ways for you to build your email list. Whatever your funnel is, just make sure that you're being intentional about what that is. What do you want people to do when they come across your content? What do you want their next steps to be? Have a call to action and make sure you have a funnel. Another great lead generation technique is using Facebook groups. Facebook is a great platform and you should not take it for granted. Take time to browse around, look in Facebook for Facebook groups that are related to your target audience. Find out where your target audience is hanging out. Wherever your ideal clients are, that's where you want to be. And you can't expect them to just come to you. You have to go to them. In those Facebook groups, start writing messaging that's gonna resonate with your audience, and hopefully you can get some leads there. But really just take advantage of Facebook groups, hang out where your audience is hanging out, and hopefully you'll see people who are needing what you offer. Hopefully they'll come to you. For my business, we joined a whole bunch of women in business or South Florida business organizations on Facebook groups, and we just joined a ton of them. And then every day we have our virtual assistant post in those Facebook groups or comment in those Facebook groups or engage with people and, just start to build awareness so that people know that this is a service that we offer and it could really help you as a business owner. We can help your company make sales, generate leads, and increase your engagement, improve your online presence with our social media management and these other services that we offer. We also promote our coaching programs in those Facebook groups, especially for small business owners and women in business. So take advantage of Facebook groups, figure out who your target audience is, and start joining those Facebook groups to promote your services. The next technique for generating leads is outbound engagement. I spoke about this in my last video about what it takes to be a social media manager and what do social media managers actually do. And outbound engagement is a huge part of it, especially if you specialize in organic social. So just putting yourself out there, going through hashtag groups, going through geotag and locations, and reaching out to people that are in your area, reaching out to your target audience, reaching out to people that engage with your competitors, and just start to cultivate relationships and build real connections with people in the comments, in DMs, and start to feel like a real person that's actually interested in these people's lives. Interact with them so they don't feel like you're just trying to sell them something, but add value to them. Make yourself more memorable and to stand out from competitors by actually engaging with them and building connections. This is something that's really going to set you apart as a business. Also, when you're DMing these people that are in your audience, a really good idea is to give them suggestions and add value to them so that they can really see that you know what you're talking about. So maybe you'll reach out to somebody that's in your audience or ideal customer of yours, and you'll say, hey, I love what you're doing on your social media. I think it's super cool that you donate 10% of your revenue to such and such organization, blah, blah, blah. And just, talk back and forth with them. Maybe throw a suggestion in, like, I noticed that you haven't been using hashtags on your post. I really think it would be a great idea for you to start using 8 to 15 hashtags and see how that works. Use hashtags that are related to your location. Just give them a couple of tips related to social media marketing so that they can see, like, wow, there's a lot of work that goes into this. You really know what you're talking about. You obviously have expertise in this area. Maybe I should just outsource to you so I don't have to worry about all of this work because that's just overwhelming and too much for me. So it's always worth a try. It's always great to engage with your ideal customers and your target audience, and you never know where that will get you. Hopefully they can become a client in the future. And my last technique for you to get clients for your social media management My last technique for you to get more clients for your social media management business is to take advantage of IG and Facebook Lives. I love Instagram Lives. I do them weekly at 5 o'clock on Fridays with my business partner, and we just spend like 20 to 30 minutes adding value to our target audience, talking about social media marketing, talking about how you can help your business, some tips and strategies that we use, just like this video, just adding value and sharing tips and sharing your expertise and positioning yourself as an industry authority. This will really help your business, and whoever your viewers are, whether they're watching live or they're watching on, replay after you publish it once the live is over. Sorry, there's a train going by. It's really loud. I don't know if you heard that. Whether they're watching live or whether they're watching on Oh my gosh, I hate living right by the railroad tracks. Whether your viewers are watching live or they're watching back on replay, make sure you have a call to action, a clear call to action, and direct them somewhere after the video so that they can fill out a form, go to your booking page, book a call with you, book coaching, a one-on-one session, whatever your funnel is, sign up for your email list, whatever it may be. Make sure you make that clear in your video so that hopefully those viewers and your audience can turn into leads and convert those people into paying customers. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this gave you some ideas for what you can start doing for your social media business to generate leads and to convert those leads into customers. I really, really hope this helped. And I hope you guys try some of these tips out. Let me know how it works for you. I'm super excited for you guys. I believe in you. Hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.